Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find support settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here, now click settings. Here you will find support. As you see here, you can manage it if you want. You can manage your help center or your terms of service or privacy policy. And that's it, how to find support settings, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.